Hello, my name is Andres Camilo Gomez Calvo. I am 22 years old. I was born in Bogota, Cundinamarca. Now I am studying at the System Engineer program at UNA. I am administrative assistant. I like playing video games, listening to music. I like play the drums. And in my last holidays, uh, I went to Honda. I went there with my family and I did have to pay much because I visited an uncle. Eh, so I stayed there. I visited different places like the Museum of the Magdalena River, the Magdalena River. I stayed in Honda 1 week. The weather in Honda it's great. It is very warm. When you go to Honda, it is very important you wear sunscreen. It is necessary that you wear comfortable shoes to go to the Magdalena River. You had a better take your snacks to the Magdalena River. You had a better no go with on your best bikini. What you should do if plan to you go to Honda, you check price of transport and hotels. When you are there, you had a better take your snacks to the Magdalena River. You had better no windshield sunscreen. What should you know? You should not be transported to the Magdalena River. Why? You had better to the window a good camera. You should put snacks in the Magdalena River. Take your snacks. Thanks.